Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, navigation system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, LED headlights. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.